is potato. Wait, are you gonna fly? No. Is Bro gonna fly? Oh, here's another dove. Oh, who's that one? Oh, it's Victoria, my second dove. Okay, potato in the back and Victoria in the front. Wait, actually not. Wait, that's not Victoria. Wait, that is actually not Victoria. That's actually Atlas. I actually thought it was Victoria at first. Well, Victoria is an adult dove. See on Potato? See the collar on his neck? That proves that he's an adult dove. While the other one, like from over there, is a young one. Oh, are you going in the grass? Going in the grass? God, I gotta keep an eye out for any cats or predators. Literally gonna keep an eye out for any predators. Where's Bro going?